All right, good afternoon to everyone. We're going to go ahead and get started with public comment at this time. Our first speaker is Leonard Clark. Mr. Clark.
Thank you very much, Mr. Gates. As far as I'm concerned, you're the better. I'm glad we have you instead of the other Bill Gates here. My name's Leonard Clark, and I am from Phoenix, born right down the street there at Good Samaritan Hospital. I just wanted to say that being a resident in Phoenix all my life, except when I was in the Army and moving around different times, we've always had a problem with drownings. And I was reading in the newspaper not long ago, just several days ago, that unfortunately I believe Phoenix has already equaled the number of drownings that it had in 2013. And I know that all of you on the council and my fellow citizens out there are trying to monitor their children around water, but we've got to even do better than that. We've got to become zealous with our children and our water. I ask that the city of Phoenix try to make it more simple for parents to find ways to teach their children to swim, because I'm surprised at how many parents in the city of Phoenix, including I have friends, the same thing, and I can't say right off the top of my head, that's my fault. I know we've got to go out and do some work, obviously, as parents, but maybe the city could provide a link, just very simple, saying, hey, this is where you can go, hopefully for low-cost swimming lessons for your children, because this is really a problem. We've already equaled that. And then I would like to leave you with, please have a happy 4th of July. It's a great thing to be in the United States of America, where I can come up here and talk to people who run our city of over 4 million people and not have to worry about retribution like in other countries where you better watch out what you say. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your comments, Mr. Clark. Next, John Rusnick.
My name's John Rusnick, and I really don't have much to say because my council person's never here on citizens' request. But about 4 weeks ago, we had a meeting. It was supposed to be at 9 o'clock, and I asked if I could have 15 minutes early to sit down my evidence. And as soon as I got there, he came in. I didn't even get a chance to put my evidence down, which I have really quite a bit. But he told me that everybody violates ordinances. Nobody really cares. So I showed him these rocks, and you got some 2.5 inch, and you have some 1/4 inch, the proper size. And he said they all look the same to him. But I'm going to cut this short because I'd like to talk to him eyeball to eyeball. That's what a citizen should be able to do. And then instead of the hour meeting that I had, he cut me off at about 40 minutes for the meeting that we were supposed to have. So there's something about, is the city going to represent the citizens, or maybe the citizens don't have any rights at all in the city of Phoenix? Thank you.
Thank you. Diane Barker.
Good afternoon, City Council and Vice Mayor Waring, Diane Barker. We're at citizen comment, and again, I don't see it on the agenda. I believe that the vote was foul from the City Council to not have the citizens a part of the formal agenda, and unfortunately, the new website does not take you right to meetings, and it had nothing that announced even this other meeting, in quote. A meeting is a quorum. We don't have a quorum. We've got myself, I'm District 7, and we've got Mr. Rusnick from District 6 and Mr. Clark from District 2, and none of our representatives are here. We know we're going into the summertime, and it's hot and everything, but we should have representation, all of it here. Now, if they think that any of the council people that we're not constituents and that, you know, why should you even come? Look, we're citizens. Citizens, you know, have the allegiance to our government, and we're entitled to the protection of the city of Phoenix and by the city of Phoenix. We want to be respected, and we want to respect you. A citizen cares for the feelings of others and the safety. And we stay informed on issues, and we vote. And we are for reducing, reusing, and recycling all ideals that are benefit for the future. The City of Phoenix city manager has rightfully hired a sustainability man, and he comes from Vancouver. They've done an awful lot there. I hope that the city will do reduce, reuse, and recycle, and very much have it so that the people are part of this process. Again, we should be the first, the citizenry, when you open up the link to the City of Phoenix, citizens, hello. And these are our meetings. We come here today, we've taken our time, and we want you to give our time to the citizenry. Thank you.
Thank you. Any further citizen comment? Going once, going twice. We have a few minutes if people want to fill out a card. Bill and I will be here. Thank you very much.